I wanted to share some information regarding the Sloan diaphragms for the urinals and for the toilets. Make sure you get the right one. See, as this one says urinal, this one here says closet, which is the toilet. Each one has a different amount of water that it allows for flushing. This one will use 1.5 gallons. This one's 3.5 gallons. Now, if you don't have these boxes to identify which diaphragm is which, if you look at it, which is the diaphragm, this insert right here, pop up. There's a white one and there's a black one. The white one goes for the toilets. The black one goes for the urinal. So that's one way to identify it when you replace these. I hope this is something that can help you. Another trick is if the water constantly flushes and you need to replace this piece, but you don't have one, you can clean this out real nice with soap and water. There's a tiny pinhole in here. I can't show it to you right now, but there's a tiny pinhole somewhere in this diaphragm that usually gets clogged. So if you wash it with soap and water and rinse it thoroughly, you can reuse it and see if it helps. That'll save you some money. If not, get the whole new kit, replace it, and it's done. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.